I'm going crazy. We're going down, down in an earlier round. And Moe, we're going down swinging. I'll be your number one with a bullet. You guys, I'm going delusional. Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. You ain't my boyfriend, see nobody else, and I don't want you to hear it. Alright, so this is like honestly the 6th video I filmed today. I'm having breast reduction surgery tomorrow. I'm getting delusional. And I have to take off my makeup now because I just want to. And I figured what better time than to film kind of like a little get unready with me and also film a bit of a little situation here that I've been going through, aka reading some of my ballsy, rude, disrespectful DMs. Okay, you guys, I have tweeted this recently and was like, I kind of want to do a video talking about the crazy ass DMs that I get, and everybody was so here for it. I'm not gonna show them on screen because I don't want to get sued. I don't want to have anything wrong with any of this. I don't want to get in trouble. I feel like nowadays everybody is always looking to point fingers at everyone and call their lawyers, call this person's lawyer and someone blah blah blah, and I'm gonna sue you. So I'm not gonna show anything. You're just gonna have to believe me, and if you don't, then see ya for the next video. I have a lot of screenshots here of shit, and we're gonna start off first with one that really got me going. Hi Nicole, good morning. I hope you're feeling better from your stomach pain. I know you just got home from the hospital and this is super weird for me, but I'm hoping you can help me. I have to pay my phone bill and it's $830. I'm hoping that you can pay it for me. I'm not a bank! I'm not a bank. I feel bad. I know people go through like tough times and I totally get it. But I am not a bank. Just because I'm a YouTuber doesn't mean I'm loaded by any means. Y'all don't know my financial situation. And I love the part that's like, I know you just got out of the hospital. What? Oh, moving on. Sis. And okay, so this was responding to, first of all, I don't really like it when people call me sis. Like, it's one thing if it's an endearing way, but if you're calling me sis in like a nasty way or like, you know what I mean? I'm like, bitch, the hell out of here with that sis shit. Ow. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Oh, we're good, we're good, we're good. Woof, that was scary. But anyway, yeah, with this sis shit, don't call me sis. I don't know. Like, I feel like sis is good in a nice way, but I feel like this was in a mean way. This was an Instagram story of me explaining why I was in the hospital and what was wrong. And I first posted a photo to kind of like say I was at the hospital, and I posted the location, which was Tarzana Medical. And first they were like, let me read this so I don't get it wrong. Why would you post the location of the hospital? How is that affecting you in your life in any way, shape, or form? And then this was me explaining what was going on with me. She goes, sis, when are you gonna do those bottom veneers with like a throwing up emoji? I just got out of the hospital. I'm not really worried about my teeth right now. Okay? I feel like people are gonna be like, she's so mean in this video. Here was another one. This one was really good when I was in the hospital. Really what I wanted to hear. ERs don't diagnose you. You need to see a specialist. Otherwise, you'll see ER after ER. They only treat immediate pain. I was in immediate pain, okay? Shit. If you experienced the pain that I was going through with my stomach, y'all would be in ER after ER after ER as well. You ain't my boyfriend. This is actually very therapeutic for me. This one's actually funny. I'm gonna throw this one in. Save some of your boobies for me, please. I'm flat. I wish that's how it worked. I really do. By the way, I'm using the Costco Kirkland makeup wipes and they work really well. I'm also gonna cleanse my face off camera because that's not like a cute thing to do on camera at all. I wish I could be like one of those girls that's like, with the water splashing up in their face. Bitch, there's water running down my arms, it's running down my neck. Like, there is nothing pretty about washing your face. All right, let's continue on with our crazy DMs. This one wasn't crazy, but it was kind of like cute. So Mo was staying kind of distant from me when I was sick, And I asked if that had happened to any of you guys. And as soon as I started to feel better, he was getting close to me again. And this person had said, viruses brew for a few days at the very least before you start becoming so sick. So Mo for sure smelled it on you and wanted to stay the hell away. And I thought that was so funny. I was like, yep. He definitely did want to stay the hell away. That's for sure. I love this one. Everybody was asking if I was pregnant. Whenever my stomach hurts, my DMs are filled with pregnant question mark, pregnant question mark. No. And you know what? If a girl doesn't want to get pregnant, stop asking her to get pregnant. This bun is making me feisty. This one's from a dude right here. Straight dude that's totally not following me. And he goes, dude, you're balding. Yeah, you're totally right. I'm so bald. Oh, God. I love this one. You look hella olive, like green girl. What foundation shade are you wearing? It's literally green. Do you guys think I would leave my house looking green? Seriously? There's a thing called lighting, and sometimes it affects the way you look. I love this one. Please, can you fix your hair? So bad, with a thumbs down. I actually responded to that one, and I was like, could you be any more rude? Like, seriously though, could you? Could you be any more rude? Like, sometimes a bitch just wants to live and not have to do her hair. Oh, this one is really good. Okay, let me grab it. Love you, girl. I'm a big fan, but am I missing out on something? Where is blank? They're talking about my ex. What? We've been broken up for so long. How do people not know? Okay, this one was actually a Venmo request for $9,000. $9,000. 9,000. Hey, can you please help me out? I need some money. And just a request for 9,000 with the praying hands. Bitch, I need $9,000 too. Shit. Like, damn, you know what I could do with 9,000? I could put a down payment on like 2 cars with $9,000. Shit, I could buy a car with $9,000. All right, I'm gonna go wash my face off camera and I'll be right back. I'm actually not gonna wash off my eyebrows because we have some house guests right now and I don't wanna look like too crazy, so BRB. Okay, you guys, so I used the Tatcha cleanser off camera. I really like that cleanser. It's very gentle and just really nice on the skin. It also helps remove any makeup. It's kind of like a makeup melter as well. Actually, I want to apply some serum. I'm actually going to apply some under eye patches. I normally don't do this, like, truthfully all the time to get Unready, but I feel like desperate times call for desperate measures right now. Okay, we got another one. Why don't you ever brush your hair? Because I don't want to, okay? No, seriously, I do brush my hair, but when I'm just chilling in my house, why can't I just be in my house? You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, this one really was insane. So I had posted, I don't know if you guys remember, it's actually my lock screen, Mo eating the pizza. So we had quickly were throwing out the trash and it was trash day. The dogs were outside. Riley and I were kind of like in the middle of doing something and Mo had gotten into the trash a little bit and pulled out a slice of pizza. No harm, no foul. He barely even had a bite of it. We ripped it right out of his mouth and I'm a good dog mom. I'm very attentive to my dogs. I take them to the vet ASAP. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on Mo for surgeries and things and whatever. And I'm a good dog mom. I know I am. Don't tell me how to mother my dog. And literally, this person literally was so upset that Mo had a piece of pizza in his mouth that was like, watch your f***ing dog. No wonder he gets sick and almost dies. What the f*** is wrong with you? He should be taken away from you. Guys, you can't make this shit up. You really can't. You really can't. The bottom line is, if you're trying to become an influencer or think that YouTube is your journey or your passion, get ready for it. Saddle up, okay? Because you gotta have thick skin. Like, I'm happy that I can actually laugh at this and that it doesn't affect me in my everyday life. But this comment was actually really funny, this one that I had gotten. It was in regards to Mo with the pizza, and someone had said he got off his hot girl summer diet. Big mood. Big mood for sure. Why are you such a disgusting peasant? I don't know. I can't tell you. Can you please do your nails? I'm getting tired of looking at them. It's crazy how much like my physical appearance bothers people. You know what I mean? Like my hair, my nails. This one actually made me laugh, so I'm not even mad at this one. Don't get any ideas because I really don't like when people ask me for money. Like I get it, people go through rough times, but I'm also not a millionaire. Okay, not even close to it. And this one was like, it was for $4.20 on Venmo and was like, hey, I'm trying to blaze up. Can you help a bitch out? And I believe I did send her the $4.20 because that was hilarious. Girl, your hair looks like beef jerky. You guys are creative, I'll give you that much. Oh my God, this one. It's no secret that I have THC and CBD. I post about it all the time on my Instagram stories. Shout out to Lowell Farms for coming through for a girl. I use lots of CBD to help with my anxiety and THC as well to help with my anxiety. Someone literally had a full-on argument with me about apparently me saying that I was allergic to THC once, which I never said. This person literally was like, I just hate to see someone I admire so much straight up lie like that. Legit just own it, dude. Laugh my ass off, whatever. This person thought I was lying about my allergies. I know what I'm allergic to, okay? And it's shellfish, bees, and sulfa medication. Oh, I'm not allergic to THC. Thank God I'm not. But listen, woof, this girl got so pressed over it. Your skin doesn't look good in this picture. Is everything okay? I hope you're okay. You still look amazing though. Thanks, I think. All right, I'm gonna add some serum. I'm gonna use the from Fourth Ray Beauty. I'm gonna be using the watermelon face milk. And I'm gonna warm up the serum in my hand a little bit and just press it into the skin. Oh, it smells so good. I love watermelon. And just rub it in. This I do a lot. Like I usually do a lot of serums and stuff like that because I have very dry skin. So it helps a lot, like beauty oils and stuff like that. Please dye your hair. It's dead AF. Well, that's how you make it more dead, Jan. Ay, maron. I posted a photo of my really curly hair as a young girl. And someone was like, bring back the hair, please. I wish I could, but 5-year-old Nicole is long gone and 5-year-old Nicole's hair is long gone. Oh my God, this one wasn't even about me. This woman was so aggressive. I actually blocked her recently, but I had posted Kim Kardashian at the Met Gala and I was like, oh, this is Kim's best look yet. And the person responds, if the look is skank, then yes. Oh, I'm not even gonna get into this. Please, I don't want it to get into anything political, but basically, I had posted something about abortion. Not getting into it. I'm not talking about my beliefs. Don't tell me yours because I don't care and don't want to get into it. But basically, this person was like, so basically, you advocate the murder of innocent children? Because that's what abortion is. Go to hell. After that, they were blocked. But yeah, it was very intense. Someone goes, what's wrong with your ear? I don't know. You tell me. Oh my God, this one is so good. When you pass in a grove of roses, all dry and die with envy of your beauty, I will build a castle to be my queen. I will fulfill all your wishes, wants to be my wife. I want to marry you. You accept? Email, blah, 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 @gmail.com, WhatsApp. Oh, I get lots of dick pics too, which is not cute. And then I'm gonna go to my DMs right now because that's all the crazy, crazy ones I have screenshotted. Yeah, no, I don't see anything crazy right now. But I'm just gonna finish off this face, my face, with a little bit of the Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. This is basically how I get unready. It's still pretty much daylight out and nothing like that crazy. I mean, I have a more in-depth skincare routine for the nighttime for when I go to bed. So if you guys are interested in that, leave me a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got a nice, good laugh out of it. I love you guys so much. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I promise I'm not crazy all the time and I'm more put together 90% of the time. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.